In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Dhgate app not working. If the app suddenly freezes, won't open, or keeps crashing, start with the quickest reset. Force close the app from your recent app screen so it completely shuts down. Wait about 10 seconds, then open it again. That short pause lets the system clear temporary hiccups and reload the app fresh. If that doesn't stick, restart your phone. A full reboot clears memory clutter and background processes that can interfere with any app, and it solves a surprising number of problems in one go. Next, confirm your connection. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one is more stable. You can also quickly open another app or website. If those load normally, your internet is probably fine and the issue is likely app-specific. Make sure the Dhgate app itself is up to date. On Android, open the Play Store, go to your apps, and update Dhgate if you see the option. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your profile, and apply any available updates. Running an outdated version, especially after a recent system update, can cause crashes or login errors. While you're at it, check for a system update on your phone. In Settings, look for software update options and install pending updates. App and OS versions are designed to work together, so mismatches can create glitches. On Android, clearing the app cache can help. Go to Settings, find Apps, select Dhgate, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If problems persist, you can clear data as well. That will reset the app and sign you out. So be sure you remember your login before you proceed. If nothing has worked so far, reinstall the app. Uninstall Dhgate, restart your device, then install it fresh from the official store. This replaces any corrupted files and gives you a clean start. Sign back in and test it. If you're stuck at login or not receiving verification codes, check your spam or junk folder, confirm your email or phone details are typed correctly, and request the code again. Sometimes simply retrying or reinstalling refreshes the verification process. And if the app still won't behave, reach out to Dhgate support through the in-app help or contact us section when it's accessible, or use the official website to get in touch. Provide clear details about what you've tried, your device model, and any error messages. A calm, thorough description helps support pinpoint the fix faster. Follow these steps in order and you'll resolve most Dhgate app issues without much hassle.